Is it possible to use colors that are not part of my color palette?
Can a winter wear a beige or can a spring wear black?
And how can I use colors that are not part of my palette if I really have to or want to?
How can I mix colors from different seasons? Can I mix cool and warm colors?
And also, how can I wear corporate colors if they're not exactly part of my palette?
Welcome to Tips and Tricks! Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
My name is Giulia.
And I'm Alessandra.
And today we're going to give you some tips and tricks about how to use colors from different palettes.
Please consider that we will not include every single possible scenario, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment below.
We will do our best to respond to the most popular comments. And before we start, let us thank today's video sponsor. Welcome back,
VIVAIA!
If you're searching for great looking, environmentally friendly, comfortable and most of all colorful shoes, VIVAIA is the answer.
VIVAIA offers a beautiful variety of colors for their shoes. This time we received the Urban boots for myself and the Ryan slip-on for Giulia, both everyday kinds of shoes.
One standout feature about these shoes is their water-repellent design, perfect for those unexpected weather changes. Thanks to this functionality, VIVAIA's shoes are perfect for outdoor activities because they keep your feet nice and dry, and they're also extremely easy to clean with water if they get dirty. Plus, the slip-on style makes them incredibly convenient and easy to wear and ideal for our busy lifestyle. They're not only easy to put on and easy to wear, they're also easy to style under regular jeans, under wider pants, under a dress, you name it.
We also received the amazing Regina Pros for both of us, very stylish and we absolutely love them.
I really like the shape of the heel, it's unique and it elevates every style. Plus, the Regina Pros are also water repellent, so they combine comfort and practicality with style.
The colors we choose are black and bordeaux for Giulia, since she's a winter, while I choose nutmeg and dark olive since I'm an autumn.
And now, speaking about colors, let us give you some suggestions for each season. Winters, Regina Pros in bordeaux, black, black and ruby, and navy. Urban boots in solid black, black and white, and navy and white. These last two are especially good if you have high contrast or you're wearing a high contrast outfit. Ryan slip-on in black and black and ruby. Summers, Regina Pros in silver. Urban boots in rich gray and sand. We recommend this color especially if your summer soft. Ryan slip-on in rich grey. Autumns, Regina Pros in dark chocolate, dark olive, or oat milk if you need a lighter color. Urban boots in nutmeg and khaki. Ryan slip-on in dark chocolate and espresso. Springs, Regina Pros in dark caramel. Urban boots in nutmeg. This color is extremely versatile and goes with warm outfits in general. That's why we recommended it to both autumn and spring. And Ryan slip-on in nude peach. If you feel inspired by these beautiful shoes and would like to purchase a pair, you can use our discount code.
You can find the link to the VIVAIA's website in the description below.
Thank you very much, VIVAIA! And now, Ale, we can start talking about the tips and tricks. Let's start by saying that when we read questions that go something like, can a winter wear beige? To be honest, we don't love the wording. Of course a winter can wear beige. Every person that belongs to any season can wear any color, guys. It's not like something happens if a winter wears beige.
But of course, technically, we can say, is beige a color that is recommended for winters?
No, not exactly, no. According to color analysis, beige is not part of the winter palette because it's warm and soft, and winter some cool and bright. So, what happens if you want to or have to wear beige as a winter? Try to combine it with other colors from your palette, navy blue or black, very easily. Try to make beige not the main color of your outfit. Try to wear it in smaller amounts, if you can, further away from your face, and of course remember cool makeup. And it would be the same with autumns, for example, wearing navy or black, right?
Absolutely. Of course, black and navy are not part of the autumn palette, but if an autumn want to wear black or navy, of course an autumn person can. It's just a matter of combining this black and navy item with the colors from the autumn palette, like for example beige.
Yes.
So in this case we can see how a winter person and an autumn person can both wear beige, but in different proportion in an outfit.
Exactly.
Of course, in this case, me wearing black or navy with beige, I will not be 100% in palette, like Julia wearing beige and black will not be 100% in palette, but this is not something, oh my god, it is
mandatory.
Mandatory, exactly. It's just a choice.
Exactly. If you're not 100% in palette head to toe in an occasion, nothing happens.
Another question. Can a spring light or a summer light wear dark colors?
Well, guys, first of all, of course they can. And even according to color theory, yes, both the summer light palette and the spring light palette include a few dark colors. But let's say that you would like to limit the amount of dark colors that you wear. When you wear them, try to keep them far away from your face or use them every now and then. Maybe they're not the staple colors of your color palette, but for example, a navy blue on a summer light or a very dark brown on a spring light could still work, right?
Absolutely.
And Ale, for the same reason, can a winter dip or an autumn dip wear light colors?
Absolutely, they can. Again, guys, they of course can, and they have light colors in their palette. Of course, since the dominant feature is the depth, try to maintain the depth as a main part of the outfit. So use light colors in combination with the darker colors.
Perfect.
How to wear black if you are a spring?
Black is not part of the spring palette because it's cool, intense and dark, and spring is warm, intense and light. But this doesn't mean that springs should never wear black. In this case, we recommend wearing warm makeup, warm accessories, gold jewelry for example, and also make sure that your hair color is in palette. If your hair color is in palette, your makeup is in palette, your jewelry is in palette, you can definitely get away with black, especially in occasions where you are required to wear black, for example a corporate environment or something similar. And also if you have, for example, a black suit, at least try to combine it with a cream shirt, for example, instead of stark pure white, in order to bring a bit of warmth back to the outfit. Ale, would camel pants go with cool colors on top?
Well, of course, combining camel pants with the warm colors will be definitely easier because camel is a warm color. However, I would recommend a few color combination with the camel pants and cool colors, for example, like light blue and camel, navy and camel, white and camel, or pine green and camel. So you can see how a camel pair of pants can be used also for cool people.
Definitely.
And Julia, can a winter bride dye their hair auburn?
Well, Auburn is not exactly aligned with the winter palette. So the answer is yes, of course, a winter bride can. Would we recommend it? Not really, because auburn is a warm color, so it suits very well warm people, while if you're cool in undertone, and especially if you're winter bright, you would work better with colors that are quite strong, usually quite deep, even black, for example, or a very dark ash brown would still be better compared to auburn.
Especially because hair frames our face.
Definitely.
So having the hair in palette is going to be very, very important.
Very
in
important.
In that sense, in that
for
case.
For sure. And as we said sometimes on our channel, if your shoes are not in palette,
it doesn't matter. Exactly. But the hair color
is very important.
Very important.
And also, still for winter bright people, if you want to dye your hair any, let's say, fun, unusual color, you can still rely on your color palette. Night blue, magenta, a very intense pink would still be better than auburn. Violet too, of course. Ale, many people ask us, I don't know my season and I am struggling to find a red lipstick that works on me. What would be your recommendation?
Well, of course, knowing your season is gonna be the most important element in the game, because if you know your season, you know which lipstick is gonna be more appropriate for your palette. Another thing is that unfortunately red is a very bright color, okay? So it's usually recommended to people that belongs to a bright season, so winter or spring.
Yes.
Soft people usually find it tricky to wear a red lipstick because they are intense usually. So in this case, we recommend to go for maybe a pink or maybe a apricot or peach. That are a little bit softer. A lot of people think a lot about the undertone of the lipstick.
Yes.
Choosing the correct undertone of the lipstick, of course, it is very important, but sometimes people underestimate the intensity of the lipstick.
Exactly. Maybe, guys, you got the correct undertone,
yes.
but maybe it's the intensity that is completely wrong.
wrong.
So don't underestimate the intensity of
Absolutely,
colors.
especially in lipstick becomes very, very crucial and important because again, lipstick is applied on our face.
That's
and
right.
in color analysis we want to emphasize our face. So lipstick intensity and undertone are essential. Example to lipstick for every season.
Yes.
Well, I will say cherry for winter,
Yes.
scarlet for spring, paprika for autumns, and soft raspberry for summer.
Nice.
And now, Giulia, a very popular question.
Yes,
A very
yes.
popular one. So, how can I use corporate colors if they are not a part of my palette? And which are those corporate colors that people are referring to?
That's right. So let's say that with corporate colors, we usually indicate colors such as navy blue, a very dark gray like charcoal, black and white. These colors are very easy to use for the winter palette and also for the summer palette. They're all cool. And they are vastly used in corporate environments, right? So if you're warm in undertone, that's the main thing. If you're warm in undertone and you would like to use these colors, how can you try to use them with warmer colors? So for example, navy blue suit, cream shirt. It's so timeless, so elegant, so classic. Is 100% in palette? No, it's fine. So for example, navy blue suit, cream shirt, warm makeup, warm jewelry, as we said before, correct hair color, it would be very, very nice. This applies to navy blue, to black, to gray, okay? But I have to say that warm corporate colors are becoming way more accepted and used. So for example, a nice camel suit or a dark olive green would still be very, very suitable for an office environment, still very elegant and also warm if your undertone is warm. Ale, a very, very popular question, very tricky one it seems. How can I wear gold jewelry if my undertone is cool? How can I?
Look,
I'm
gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you.
Teach me.
So see this necklace? So you take it.
Yes.
You open that.
So, but I'm cool in undertone, huh?
Yes.
Can
don't
I?
worry. Yes.
Okay. So I can open this.
You can open that.
Yes.
And then you can just
Around my neck.
around your neck.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Can I?
You can.
Can I?
You can. Go for it. And now you are wearing a gold necklace.
So I can,
You
even if
can.
I'm
It's
cool
not
in
happening.
under-
It's not gonna burn your skin.
Okay, no.
You're gonna survive. You're gonna
Perfect,
survive. So
perfect.
guys, of course, joke aside, everyone can
Yes.
wear the jewels and the necklace that they want. So a cool person like Giulia, see, is wearing a gold necklace now, and this gold necklace doesn't have any impact on her face, doesn't reflect any light, doesn't make her look ugly or terrible. Small accessories, they don't cause this huge impact on our
Of course,
feature.
guys, because we're talking about this little thin necklace, okay? So, of course, when we do the undertone test on the channel during an analysis, we use drapes that are this big on people that are not wearing makeup, of course. But if in your everyday life you wear something like this, of course course it's fine. Then definitely we would still recommend silver on a cool person for, you know, a matter of harmony. It will be more harmonious.
Let's say that when we are talking about gold and silver, we are referring more to bigger amount of metals,
course.
and we can apply this concept to hair color. So,
Yes.
for example, if Julia was dyeing her hair golden blonde, well, I would say, Julia, don't do that.
Yes,
Julia, don't
definitely,
do, because
definitely.
that's my advice. But in terms of a small necklace, it doesn't matter really.
Exactly.
Doesn't matter.
And that's the exact same thing when we do the opposite. If Alessandra wears a little thin silver necklace, it's not like the necklace has a huge impact on her face, or she has to avoid it because
Absolutely.
otherwise something happens. But
Or if my engagement ring is white
white
gold.
engagement ring, and it's a
You
ring
don't
on
have
the
to-
finger,
you don't
it's
have to
fine.
throw it.
Exactly. But for example, if she wants to wear her hair like an ashy color, well, in that case, I wouldn't recommend it for sure. Okay.
exactly.
Or a makeup that is too cool, I wouldn't recommend on her. When it's a little thin necklace or a ring on the finger, guys,
It's totally
relax.
fine.
It's totally
Of
fine.
course, then silver accessory will go very well with her cool colors
Of course.
in the outfit. So with emerald green,
course.
with the blue navy, will
Definitely.
look better
Sure.
overall.
Sure.
But it's okay. Even
It's okay.
gold is gonna be fine.
Exactly. Guys, we hope you found this video helpful and that we gave you inspiration to mix and match colors from different palettes. Of course, if you don't know which one your palette is and would like us to analyze your colors, please consider to visit our website, coloranalysis.au. We offer face-to-face sessions here in Melbourne, Australia, and online sessions for people from all around the world.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video until the end. We're gonna see you very soon on this channel with more videos.
Bye-bye!
Bye!